These are 5 tips to get you ready for Prime Day so that you can save the most money possible on tools and supplies. Let's go. You'll want to stick around after number 5 because I got a bonus tip and a way for you to win a $500 Amazon gift card. I've got 2 of them to give away. Amazon Prime Day is upon us. It starts tomorrow, July 11th, and it goes all the way through July 12th, so only 2 days. Tip number 1 is you have to be an Amazon Prime member. Now, don't let that scare you because you can get a free trial. There's a link in the description to get you set up for an Amazon free trial, 30 days of free. You're just dating Amazon Prime. You're not married to it. No risk involved at all. And 30 days is plenty of time to take advantage of the tool deals starting tomorrow. Tip number 2, if you want some extra cash up to $200 instantly to spend on your tools that you're looking at or have on your wish list, there is an Amazon Prime Visa credit card that you can sign up for. When you're approved, you're going to get a $200 Amazon gift card instantly. That's going to be in your account so that you can spend that on whatever you want. Not only that, but there's a lot of cashback offers with this credit card. Now it's up to you if you're in a financial situation that you want or need this credit card. That is a 100% decision that's up to you, but please make wise choices with it. There's a link in the description and the pinned comment that'll take you directly to this page to sign up if you're interested. Tip number 3, you can sign up right now, today, before Prime Day on invite only, Prime invite only. You have to be a Prime member. Invite only deals that can save you some big money on a lot of different things, tools, electronics, you name it. When you sign up for this invite only, you'll get an email notification letting you know the deal is live and that you've been invited in to purchase it. Now these are very limited quantities, so be sure and get your invites in early. Tip number 4, go today and start adding things to your cart and then save them for later once they're in the cart. Tools and supplies that you're looking at, you want to get a discount on. If the price drops, when you go to your cart, it'll show you that the price has dropped to give you a notice. You can also set up alerts on your mobile device using the Amazon app so that you get notified when these tools go on sale. Tip number 5, some deals are already active and I've got a running list on my website. Just go to 731woodworks.com/tool-deals. You'll see this post where I'm updating it continually. Every time I find a new deal, I put it on there. This will be active July 11th and 12th to help you save the most money possible on the tools you're looking for. On my website, I've got these deals sorted so that you can find them easier: corded tools, cordless tools, shop fixtures, and even electronics that I find interesting or on a super good deal. I've also got a tool deal text alert group that I've set up. You can sign up for free. It's going to send you a text message when I find the best tool deals. I will not spam you with text messages that are just mediocre deals. These are the best of the best tool deals that I send out so you can save money. I will also be posting the top 10 tool deals that I find both July 11th and 12th right here on YouTube, so you want to make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon, click all so you get notified of all the new content. You don't want to miss these deals. And the bonus tip, don't wait until tomorrow to sign up for Prime or to get ready for Prime Day. And how you get ready for Prime Day is make sure your shipping address is correct, make sure your payment info is correct. Go ahead and enter all that information so that when you do add an item to the cart, you can check out quickly, because a lot of these deals are what they call lightning deals or limited time deals, so they'll sell out extremely fast. So you want to be able to add that to the cart and check out as fast as possible without having to try to enter payment info or your address or mess with any of that stuff. Get it pre-set up today. You'll be ready to score some awesome deals tomorrow. I've also got 2 $500 Amazon gift cards that I'm going to be giving away on Instagram tomorrow, so be sure and follow me over there at 731woodworks. Tomorrow I'll post about how to enter for those awesome gift cards. If you like this video, check out my top 10 Amazon tools I've ever bought. Click that box, click in the box, get you the big old virtual fist bump. Be sure to subscribe. Amazon Prime Day is tomorrow.